Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor stock. This one for today is up by 1.27%, and over the course of tonight's filming we're going to be speaking about this and I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, but as always please do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so do make sure you're doing your own research and come to your own conclusions. Now a few things to note coming into today's trading, the first of which is that we are indeed seeing this one move up ever so slightly today, up by 1.27%. With this we have a number of questions to ask, the first of which is, are we going to continue to see resistance levels as we have done actually over the course of the last few days, including today I do believe, levels of resistance that we are seeing around the 992 and just below that $10 mark. Now again, looking at the charts here, this is nothing particularly new. You can see this really over the course of the past week or so. If you have a look back to dates like the 7th, the 10th, if you have a look back to the 5th as well, you can see in November, by the way, this one is seeing difficulty just getting above this mark. So a push above this, a solid push into 10, that could see us push on to 1030, possibly even higher from there. At the same time, guys, if you're not able to see this, we could be seeing a step down, possibly down to numbers such as 923. We've seen this hold before, maybe even as low as the 915 mark. Possibly even then, if you drop below that, could be down to the 885 level. We've seen this level play out too a few times in the past. And if you drop below that, I'm looking down to 830. So clearly a very critical moment. Again, these are the numbers that I'm looking at. Levels below that are going to be around 814 and possibly the stronger support around about 750. However, we don't want to see this. Again, positive growth going into the rest of the week would be a good sign. RSI is still relatively high, however today's slowed momentum, today's consolidation if you want to call it that, is bringing it down ever so slightly. It's going to be very interesting to see how things play out here over the next few days, but those are the numbers that I'm looking for. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.